We have breaking news regarding robberies on the Gold Coast. Tallabudgera locals Michael and Carleen are on the line to tell their story.
So tell me about the crime that's been happening in the area.
Oh, yeah, mate. Crime around here is just getting out of control. We had our neighbour up the road the other day. He got done.
Yeah, it's disgusting. And whoever's doing it is costing us hundreds every year. I just don't feel comfortable in my own home, you know? It's disgusting.
You know, they're being, like, really sneaky about it too. I think they're getting it from the windows and the doors. I don't know. I set up a couple of cameras, try and catch them, but we didn't get anything, so I just don't know. Yeah, so I've got these cameras set up and we just haven't been able to find anything, you know? It's just the whole time.
The worst part is it feels like it's been stolen at night, like, you know, especially in winter. It just makes me shiver thinking about it.
Yeah, but like it's not just at night either. The other day, I left and went out into the garden, did a bit of work, came back inside and it was gone, like all of it. I just couldn't believe it.
I'm sorry, what exactly has been stolen?
What do you mean?
What's been stolen?
Well, the air-conditioned air. That's what I was saying. So the other day, I was in my lounge room. It was nice and comfortable. Went outside, did a bit of work, came back in, and it was stinking hot again. You know, so it's some sort of heat thief going around. You know, stealing cool air in summer and warm air in winter. You know, who does that?
Perhaps you have some air leakage issues in your house.
What's that?
You know, like air leaking out of poorly sealing windows and doors, air leaking out between floorboards.
Well, I mean, I guess, maybe.
You do know that sealing your home against air leakage is one of the simplest upgrades you can undertake to increase comfort while reducing your energy bills up to 25%.
You don't have any of that. No more GAP stuff in your van, do you? Thanks for watching. We hope we've given you some great ideas for your next renovation or new build.
Now, not everything we've done here on the sunny Gold Coast will be right for your home. Every home is different, and what's right for you will depend on where you live, whether you're renovating or building, your budget and your goals.
So jump on the website for some more great tips and ideas and to learn how you can create a home for yourself that is healthy, efficient and comfortable.
It's disgusting.
It's over the top.